Congratulations to Bokani Halidu. He was the one that won the giveaway of 5,000 naira, and the money has been sent to him already. You can see the receiver and the sender here. Now there is another giveaway. The question is on my WhatsApp channel, and where you are going to provide the answer is on my Twitter. All right, and ensure you have subscribed to this channel so that the day we are going to announce the winner, you will be aware. On this channel, I create content on how you can expand your business, how you can run ad on Facebook and Instagram, and basically how you can make money online. So if that is the kind of knowledge you want, why not hit the subscription button and give this video a thumbs up, and ensure you share this video with your friends and loved one who want to learn how to expand their business online. All right, see you in the next video and keep winning. Bye.